up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I would be teaching you guys how to make classic Spritz cookies. So delicious, so buttery. Anyways, without further ado, let's get on to making the cookies. The ingredients you'll need today is 3 cups of flour, 1.5 cups of butter, which is 3 sticks, softened, 1 cup of sugar, 1 egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. First, grab your softened butter, put it into your mixing bowl, just like that. Grab your bowl, put it right on your mixer, and we're gonna put that on medium speed till it becomes nice and creamy. Once it is somewhat creamy, go ahead and add your sugar and give that a nice mix. What? Nobody saw that. While your ingredients are mixing, go ahead and set your oven to 375 degrees. Alright, next go ahead and add in your egg and your vanilla and give that a nice mix. Don't forget to scrape down the sides, that way you are sure you got everything nice and incorporated. Once it looks nice and fluffy, just like that, grab your flour and add it right in. I'm gonna add in only half of it, just so that the flour doesn't splash everywhere. Pop it and lock it, and turn it on. Alright, go ahead and add in your second half. Look at that. Look at that dough. That there is cookie dough. Alright, I'm gonna split these in between 3 little batches. Once they look about even, I'm going to add in my food coloring. Today I will be using red and green just because it's December and it's almost Christmas time. Go ahead and fold in your coloring. Grab your green and add just a few little drippity drops in there. I'm gonna grab my Christmas tree attachment, attach it to the top, just like that. I hope I put that in the right way. Grab your cookie dough and scoop it right in to your cookie dough press. Go ahead and place it flat down onto your cookie sheet. Give it 2 presses, bring it up. Oh, that's a fat boy. This next one, we're just gonna do 1 press. Bring it up. Ooh, look at how cute! These do not really puff up, so you can put them as close as the thing will go. Alright, you guys, I'm done pressing out all of my cookies. Now I'm gonna pop them in my oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Alright, they are all finished, and I'm putting them onto a cookie rack. That way they can cool. And after that, we will be giving them a taste test. They are so good, flaky, buttery. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.